Hello and welcome. Today we'll look at how to solve numerical problem involving simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are equations with two variables taken together. A pair of simultaneous equations can be both linear or one linear and the other quadratic. When the equations are linear, they can be solved using any of the three methods: substitution method, elimination method, graphical methods. And guess what, guys? I have my own way of solving simultaneous equations, so it will be safe to call it Blessings method. Solve this pair of simultaneous equations by substitution method, elimination method, and of course my own method. Use substitution method to solve this pair of equations. Let's call x minus y equal to equation 1 and call x plus y equal to 2, equation 2. From equation 1, let's make y the subject of formula. So we have x when positive 4 crosses to the left hand side becomes negative 4 equal to when negative y crosses the equal sign the right hand side becomes positive. So we've made y the subject of the formula, that is x minus 4. Call this equation 3. Next is to put equation 3, that is x minus 4, into equation 2. And equation 2 is x plus y, and the y value from equation 3 is x minus 4. So in place of y, we'll write x minus 4 equal to x plus x equal to 2. When negative 4 crosses the equal sign becomes positive 4. 2x equal 2 plus 4, and then x will be equal 6 divided by 2, 3. So the value of x is 3. Find y value from equation 3. Equation 3 says that y is equal to x minus 4 equal to x. Remember, we got our x value to be 3. 3 minus 4 minus 1. So x value is 3 while y value is minus 1. Let's use the elimination method in solving this equation. Add equation 1 to equation 2. This equation 1 while this equation 2. So it will be s to add equation 1 to equation 2. X plus x minus y plus y is 0 equal to 4 plus 2. The result of the addition of equation 1 to equation 2 is 2x equals 6. Next is to find x. X will be equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, the value of x is 3. Let's find y from equation 2. Equation 2 is x plus y equal to x. The value of x is 3 plus y equal to 2. So y will be equal to 2 when positive 3 crosses the equal sign. That is when it moves to the right hand side becomes negative 3. So y is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. Therefore, the x value is 3 while y value is minus 1. We could see that elimination method gave the same value of x and y as substitution method. Now let's use Blessings method to solve this simultaneous equation. So this equation 1 while this equation 2. From equation 1, let's make y the subject of formula. So we have x when positive 4 crosses the equal sign, that is to the left hand side, becomes negative 4 equal to when negative y crosses to the right hand side becomes positive y. Therefore, y is equal to x minus 4. Let's call this equation 3. From equation 2, make y the subject of formula. So from equation 2, we have y equal to when positive x crosses to the right hand side becomes negative x and then plus 2. Call this equation 4. Next is to equate equation 3 to equation 4. So equation 3 is x minus 4 equal to equation 4 is minus x plus 2. Now let's collect like terms. Here we have x. On the right hand side we have negative x. So when negative x crosses the equal sign becomes positive x equal to, here we have 2. When negative 4 crosses the equal sign becomes positive 4. X plus x, 2x equal 2 plus 4, 6. Find x. X will be equal to 6 divided by 2, 3. Now let's find y from equation 3. Equation 3 is y equal x minus 4. And so y will be equal x. And our x value is 3 minus 4 minus 1. Therefore, x is 3. Y is minus 1. So we could see that the three methods, that is the substitution, elimination, and Blessings method, gave the same value of x and y. Now let's use substitution method to solve the second equation. Call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 1, make y the subject of formula. So we have 4x. When positive 11 crosses the left hand side, becomes negative 11 equal to, when negative y crosses the right hand side, positive y. And then let's call this equation 3. Put equation 3 into equation 2 and find x. Equation 2 is 5x plus 2y. Remember, we already have our y values, which is 4x minus 11. So in place of y, we'll write 4x minus 11, then equal to 4. Now let's eliminate the brackets. We have 5x plus 2 times 4x minus 2 times 11 equal to 4. 5x plus 8x minus 22 equal to 4. Collect like terms from here by moving negative 22 to the right hand side. 13x equal to 4. When negative 22 crosses to the right hand side, positive 22. 13x equal 4 plus 22 gives 26. Find x. X will be equal to 26 divided by 13, 2. Therefore, x value is 2. Now let's proceed to find the y from equation 3. Y is equal to 4x minus 11. Y will be equal 4x. X value is 2. So in place of x, we'll write 2 minus 11. 4 times 2, 8 minus 11 minus 3. Therefore, the value of y is minus 3. Y x value is 2. Now let's use elimination method to solve this pair of equations. Multiply equation 1 by 2. 2 times 4x, 2 times minus y equal to 2 times 11. Call this equation 3. Add equation 2 to equation 3. 8x plus 5x, 13x, minus 2y plus 2y, 0, equal to 22 plus 4, 26. Find x. X will be equal to 20 divided by 13, 2. Find y from equation 2. Equation 2 is 5x. X value is 2. So in place of x, we'll write 2 plus 2y equal 4. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2y equal 4. Let's collect like terms by moving positive 10 to the right hand side. So we have 2y equal to 4. When positive 10 moves to the right hand side, becomes negative 10. 2y will be equal 4 minus 10 gives minus 6. So y will be equal minus 6 divided by 2 minus 3. Therefore, the value of x is 2 while y is minus 3, which gave the same result as substitution method. Now let's proceed to using my method. Make y the subject of formula in equation 1 and 2. From equation 1, we have 4x. When positive 11 crosses the left hand side, becomes negative 11 equal to, when negative y crosses the right hand side, becomes positive y. Now we've made y the subject of formula. Now let's call this equation 3. From equation 2, 5x when positive 4 crosses the equal sign, becomes negative 4 equal to, when positive 2y crosses the equal sign, becomes negative 2y. 5x minus 4 divided by minus 2. Now let's call this equation 4. Let's equate equation 3 to equation 4. Equation 3 is 4x minus 11 equal to, equation 4 is 5x minus 4 over minus 2. So here we have 5x minus 4 equal to minus 2 times 4x minus 2 times minus 11, positive 22. At this point, let's collect like terms. 5x when negative 8x crosses the equal sign, positive 8x equal to 22. When negative 4 crosses the equal sign, therefore 5x plus 8x equal 22 plus 4. X will be equal to 20 divided by 13, 2. Find y from equation 3. Equation 3 says that y is equal to 4x minus 11. Y equal to 4 times x. X value we got 2 minus 11. Y equal 4 times 2 gives 8 minus 11 minus 3. We could see the substitution method, elimination method, and blessings method gave the same value of x being 2 and y minus 3. Getting value from this video and yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And do well to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thank you. Let's solve this equation using substitution method. Call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 1, make y the subject of formula. We have 3x when positive 12 crosses the equal sign becomes negative 12 equal to when negative y crosses the equal sign becomes positive y. Let's call this equation 3. Let's put equation 3 into equation 2. So we have 2x plus y. Say we are putting equation 3, which represents y, into equation 2. So in place of y, we'll write 3x minus 12 equal 13. 2x plus 3x gives 5x equal to 13. When negative 12 crosses to the right hand side, becomes positive 12. 5x equal to 13 plus 12 gives 25. Now let's find x. X is 25 divided by 5. Now let's find y from equation 3. From equation 3, y is equal to 3x minus 12. Y equal 3 times x. Our x value is 5. So in place of x, we write 5 here. Y equal 3 times 5 is 15 minus 12, 3. So y value is 3, while x value is 5. Let's use the elimination method to solve this problem. Add equation 2 to equation 1. 3x plus 2x minus y plus y, 0. 12 plus 13. Addition of the equations give 5x equal 25. Now let's find x. X is equal to 25 divided by 5. Now let's find y from equation 2. Equation 2 is 2x plus y equal 13. So we have 2 times x. Our x value is 5 plus y equal 13. 2 times 5, 10 plus y equal 13. So y will be equal 13 minus 10, 3. So x value is 5 while y value is 3. Now let's use Blessing's method. Make y the subject of formula in equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1, we have 3x. When positive 12 crosses the equal sign, becomes negative 12. When negative y crosses the equal sign, becomes positive y. So y equals 3x minus 12. Let's call this equation 3. From equation 2, y will be equal to when positive 2x crosses the equal sign, becomes negative 2x plus 13. Equate equation 3 to equation 4. Equation 3 is 3x minus 12 equal to equation 4 minus 2x plus 13. Now let's collect like terms from here. 3x, when negative 2x crosses the equal sign, becomes positive 2x equal to 13. When negative 12 crosses the equal sign, becomes positive 12. 3x plus 2x equal 13 plus 12, 25. X is equal 25 divided by 5. Let's find y from equation 3. From equation 3, y is 3x minus 12. Y equal to 3x. Of course, our x value is 5. So in place of x, we'll write 5 and then minus 12. 3 times 5, 15 minus 12, 3. So we could see that substitution, elimination, and Blessing's method gave the same value of x and y. Please, if you are getting value and yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe. Also share your thoughts on this video in the comment section. Thank you. Now let's answer the last question. Let's call this equation 1 and also call this equation 2. Now let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. 2x minus 2x minus times plus minus. So minus 3y minus 3y. 8 minus 14. So y will be equal to minus 6 divided by minus 6. 1. Find y from equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus 3y equal 8. 2x minus 3y. Y value is 1. So in place of y, we'll write 1 equal 8. 2x minus 3 times 1 minus 3 equal 8. 2x equal 8. When minus 3 crosses to the right hand side, becomes positive 3. 2x equal 8 plus 3, 11. So x will be equal 11 divided by 2. It's 5.5, while y value is 1. I hope this video is clear enough. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Comment with any questions or topics you would want us to cover in future videos. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Please stay tuned for our next video where I will teach you how to solve simultaneous equations graphically. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.